Hello friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with Zomato. And friends, it is very difficult to discuss about Zomato's results because it's a high-end business, and I think I am not that much capable to analyze their results and their losses and their revenues itself. But one thing which uh, my knowledge, as per my knowledge, I explain what I know. Zomato is a loss-making company. This is the one thing which everyone is telling, and presently they sold their everything. So Zomato's shareholding pattern, if you went to see, like, wait a minute, see here, Zomato's shareholding patterns. If you see, observe here, see here, public is holding 81%. So this is the one of the biggest thing that the company done. And next is like mutual funds holding 4.5 and FAS holding only 10%. So this is what the management is doing. But still friends, uh, take care of itself. Tomorrow we didn't know how it will act, but one thing is, the company announced the results today, which widen its losses. As friends, one thing you got to see here, like, if you go through, see here, Zomato Q2 results, loss widened to 430 crores, and adjusted revenue during the quarter is 1420 crores, and 22% growth on quarter on quarter and 144% growth on year on year. But still they posted loss due to, they mentioned, like, delivery charges increases. And one thing is, like, they acquired new clients. Clients means like hotels, new hotels they partnered. Due to that also some expenses are spended in this quarter. So likewise, and they again mention, like, they are investing in other companies also. So that is also one of the major thing we have to look in this quarter. So what are the companies they are investing? Just Zomato announced a 100 million deal with CureFit to buy stack in Magic Pin and ShipRocket. So this is a reverse integration. So CureFit, which works on health, so it provides like gym and some products on a health side, and it is having a good base. Like Tata already invested in this CureFit, and now they Zomato also investing. So Zomato gets like a percentage in this 8% stack. So not 8%. Wait a minute. So they will get 8% stack on ShipRocket and 16% stack in Summit Technologies, which is like a very good one. Looking good about that. And CureFit, in CureFit they will get 6.4% stack in CureFit. So this is like, see here, exploring cross-selling benefits between Zomato and CureFit. And as we see, food and health become same side of the coin in long term. Yeah, obviously. So this is how they are managing. Like, they posted huge loss, but they are planning to cover up with, like, they investing some amount again into some companies. So companies are looking good, like e-commerce one, ShipRocket. So you already know, right? So lot of crunches are there. And the next one is like Magic Pin. This is like, you hear, like, if you upload your data, like your shopping data, so that is benefit for these type of companies, and they will give like earnings, matching earnings. This is like a data breach. So not a data breach, like data uh, collecting, so collecting data, so that is called collecting data. So earn magic points means you upload your bills, then they will give like magic points, you can shop with that. So likewise, and few other users also there in this magic pin. So you can do everything nearby: fitness, pharmacy, electronics, beauty, so everything, shopping, everything. But it also looks like little okay and tricky things. So these like already everything will give like data is the main thing in every point of time. So Zomato is planning with data only, but as of now it is not giving any profit, still widen its loss. So my view particularly on Zomato is short term it will move. If falls also, short term it will move. 160 will be target. That's 160. The present it is at 136, right? If even falls also, it won't go below to these levels. So here 105, 103 listing level, not it doesn't go below to that listing day price. But still this 160 is a very very big number for Zomato. 160 rupees, 170 rupees. So that's my view, friends, on Zomato. Thank you very much.